For polar coordinate system question, the most important thing is you need to draw to know the approximate position of the given points. Otherwise, it's difficult to know what's going on here. The first point is 40 degree. That means from our polar coordinate, the starting point is 0 degree. We rotate anti-clockwise by 40 degree. So the direction is approximate like this, while this angle is 40 degree. After that, the distance from the origin is 6 units, which means that the direct distance from origin to the point A, the distance is 6. This is point A. This is polar coordinate system to locate a certain point. Now we have another point which is 138. So again, from the polar axis, we rotate anti-clockwise 130. 130 degree is between 90 degree to 180 degree, so it should be somewhere here. And very important thing is, if you draw from the polar axis 130 degree, then parts of them is covered, and maybe it's difficult to recognize. So you should avoid drawing like this. You should think about that we already rotate 40 degree. How many degree more that we need to rotate? That's why in your draft you should calculate 130 degree minus 40 degree is give you 90 degree. That means on top of the red line, you should rotate extra 90 degree. Therefore, from the polar axis, you rotate in total 130 degree here, and the distance is 8. This is the position of point B. After we draw all the points provided, then we can focus on what is asking. The first thing they ask the angle X or Y. That means, the point should be point X and also point Y. And angle X or Y, that means they are talking about this angle. We already calculate it's 90 degree. So angle X or Y is equal to the angle difference, the direction difference. 130 degree minus 40 degree, we get 90 degree. We finish part A. Now we focus in part B. We have to find the direct distance between X and Y. That means X and Y here. So we connect them first. We want to find out the direct distance XY. And if we focus on this triangle, it's not just a normal triangle, but it's a right angle triangle. So for this triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem for right angle triangle. That's why we have a squared plus 6 squared should equal to xy squared. Then we can build up an equation with our target xy. xy squared is equal to 100, and then we take square root for both sides. That's why xy is equal to square root 100, equal to 10 units. Be reminded that you should write down or xy is equal to negative square root 100, which gives you negative 10, but this is rejected because xy is talk about the distance. So that's why xy is 10 units. That's how you finish question 1.